So I just wanted to pull away from the example that Nelson was doing for just a moment and give this very simple demonstration for those of you that are completely new to the concept of methods, and hope you can see here a little bit clearer the part of the signature that talks about, all right, this is what we're going to return back. This is the name of the method itself. So this is how, well, when we need to invoke this method, we call upon this method. This is the name that we're going to use. And does the method actually require data to be passed to it? Or what happens if the method is a type of method that requires no data? And so you can see the differences with make coffee requiring no data to be passed to it, while make coffee with this requires a specific type of data to be passed to it. So hopefully that'll be helpful for some of you guys, and